In 2016, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrashekar Rao laid the foundation stone for the massive Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project. The project is located at Kaleshwaram in Bhupalpalli in the state of Telangana. It is the world's largest and most ambitious multi-stage lift irrigation project and has 3 barrages on the Godavari River: Medigadda, Annaram, Sundilla. The project allows reverse pumping of water from the confluence point of Godavari and Pranhita Rivers to Sripada Yellampalli Project with the help of the 3 barrages and 3 lifts. It has a pumping capacity of 2 TMC of water per day. Massive underground caverns were excavated to construct the pump houses and surge pools to lift incoming water from underground. The project is a testament to the grit and commitment showed by the stakeholders for executing the project.
After formation of Telangana, the Telangana government had embarked on a very ambitious program to irrigate 1 lakh acres of land in the water-deprived Telangana. So this ambitious program was under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. K. Chandrashekar Rao.
This engineering marvel is divided into 7 links and 28 packages, spanning a distance of approximately 500 kilometers through 13 districts, and will comprise 1,832 kilometers water supply route, 1,531 kilometers gravity canal, 203 kilometers tunnel routes, 20 lifts, 19 pump houses and 19 reservoirs with a storage capacity of 141 TMCs. It will produce a total of 240 TMC, of which 169 has been allocated for irrigation, 30 for Hyderabad municipal water, 16 for miscellaneous industrial uses, and 10 for drinking water in nearby villages, with the remainder being estimated as evaporation loss. The project aims at increasing the total cultivable command area through lifts and pumps into a huge and complex system of reservoirs, water tunnels, pipelines and canals. The project will supply water to the drought-prone upland regions of Telangana state by harnessing the floodwaters of the Godavari River, and will irrigate 18.25 lakh acres in 13 districts.
At present, government has taken up a challenge of this particular project, has conceived from this point only. The water is lifting from 90 level to 640 level. That is almost more than a half kilometer. The Kaleshwaram, the main stream of the pump houses is from 10 pumping stations of 109 pumps. And we, a mega MEAL, is proud to say that out of 109 pumps, we could able to construct or construct commissioning of 103 pumps.
Among many challenges faced during execution of this underground pump house, which was about 100 meters below the earth, was transportation of these huge pumps of 127 megawatts and installing them on time, and also bringing out the entire material, the concreting to a height of 56 meters. All these were huge challenges, and then we had to recreate and understand new methods and different innovative ideas to complete this project. Features of this pump house was a 19-kilometer tunnel. This tunnel was bringing water from the existing reservoir to the pump house. To construct this tunnel, we had used 2 adits, and we had a lot of challenges. There was a caving in of earth in both the tunnels, and facing all these huge challenges, the timelines were met. And today, I would say, this is the most successful program ever in our country, bringing in 2 TMC of water, lifting it to more than 400 meters in the state of Telangana, and able to distribute so much water. This is absolutely an engineering marvel as Kaleshwaram as a whole.
Then the challenges what we faced in this particular project are, I know you are all aware of that. The first important thing is land acquisition. The next challenge is about this majority of the canals will flows through forest. You know very well that getting the forest clearances also is one of the major tasks for the government of Telangana. Then the third important thing, you know very well, that the geological surprises, because we want to construct a lot, say more than 100 kilometers of tunnels, canals, pumphouses also. From the ground level we need to go down 108 to 120 meters from the ground level. Once we open the tunnels, you never know that the quality of rock, how it will come and how it behaves also. Then the fourth important task for us is that this is one of its kind that the size of the pumps are manufactured in India and abroad. Not even, I don't think this size of pumps available in world, entire world. So it is again a challenge for the pump manufacturers and the motor manufacturers, maybe allied equipment manufacturers also a challenging task for them. During the summer, particularly in this project area, it is 50 plus degrees centigrade. So in the daytime, even to touch the steel itself, it is not easy. People used to have the gloves. With the gloves only, they could able to touch it. During the nights, we have been organized a floodlighting system, like how the playgrounds will be there. No, the similar case we organized in the floodlighting system. And with that serious motto and with these arrangements only, we could able to success this project. The total company itself really feel proud to be a part of this size of this project, and very, very fortunate that we could able to deliver the project little before the targeted time only.
We are very proud at Naviga to have been an integral part of this program, integral part of this, I would say, kind of a engineering miracle that has happened in such a short span of time. And we thank all the engineers and the department and the government for allowing us and to be part of this successful implemented project.